Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to know if someone unfriended you on Snapchat. So, if you guys want to go ahead and learn and find out how, well, basically know if a person or a friend unfriended you on Snapchat. While in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So if you suspect that somebody has unfriended you on Snapchat, well, all we need to do, guys, is to go and proceed with launching the Snapchat account or Snapchat application. And I want you to go ahead onto your profile. Once we're here, already on our profile, let's go on over to our My Friends tab right here. And what I wanted you to do next is to, well, let's just go ahead and accept these people real quick. And what I want you to do next as well is to tap on your friend's logo or your My Friends tab. And I want you to tap on search. Now, whoever that friend is, that you effect has unfriended you, I want you to proceed with searching their username or their display name. Now, if they don't appear on your list, well, that gives you the answer, basically. They have unfriended you, belong to you, or they also deleted their account. So it's that easy, guys, to know if somebody unfriended you on Snapchat. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.